Boy, I tell you, third time's a charm, apparently. So I've been getting tested today. Hey, it's like, are you gonna give up and not make the video? Nah, I'm gonna be consistent. I said I was gonna do this, try to upload at least daily within this upcoming new year going on. But without further ado, let's hop back into the video. So this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to save and download videos off of TikTok. Now, I just recently tried to do it, and let me drop that. Bow. I'm using something called Bandai recording screen recorder. So I just tried to go to my TikTok, right? Click the save as, right click, save as. However, it pops up as the web page, single file, HTML, and complete. Now, if you own a TikTok, this is very interesting. Check out that complete, because I just learned apparently you can find and see all of your different followers, which is very interesting. Didn't know that. But that's not what we want to do, because it doesn't save the video for you just to re-upload it in the way that I would like. So one thing I found out how to do is, what you would do is you would right click, same as if you was trying to save, although you're going to scroll all the way down, hit inspect. Let me do that one more time. So you right click, scroll, boop, 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 all the way down, right? We click inspect. Now, the next thing that you would do is, now I'm going to scroll over to all of these analytics, right? So you have at the top, you have elements, console, sources, and network. That's where we want to be. So we're clicking on network, right? Boom, that's beautiful. So the next thing is a few steps. So first step, we right clicked. Second step, scroll all the way down, hit inspect. Third step, at the top, we want to click network. Now our fourth step, which we are at now, is we will click media. So the media will be right up under the filter and next to image. So you want to click media. Now, as you see, there's nothing populating right now. That's because fifth step, you have to refresh that page. So now I'm going back over here. I'm reloading the page. And now you see, boom, some analytics are starting to pop up. Beautiful, right? Okay. So now right here, up under name, you have a link. Now what we want to do, sixth step, what you want to do is right click again. Now what we're doing, 7.
Make it a big show.
There we go. All right. So now, look, now it says save video as. That's what we've been wanting to see. So now that I'm saving, actually, this is what I'm going to do. Close that out. So now that I'm saving the video as, clicking that, I can save it as an MP4 and or just all files. Of course, we want to do the MP4 for my case. And then it's downloading. Boom. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, we're going back over to that Facebook group that we created the other day. The Monkey Be Poofy Facebook group. Wow, that's beautiful. We already got four members. Look at that. We just created this yesterday. That's awesome. All praises for that. So, you see we got one, actually I think 2 uploads. I uploaded one today. Now I'm going to upload something else, which is the video that we just saved. I'm gonna take that, throw it that way, and look at that. That is beautiful. So now what I'll do, of course, I'll go ahead and create some actually, yeah, we'll just use that to make it a big show. I'm going to exit out of that, exit out of this as well. You see what I was trying to do earlier. I was trying to copy that link and just paste it, and hopefully this edition of the video will pop up. But when I would do that, of course, it left all of that nasty long link, and nobody it's very visually unappealing. Nobody likes to see that. So next thing I'm gonna do is, like I said, just copy and paste there, and we're going to post. Simple enough, right? So I'm going to do it one more time. That way you guys can see Oh, wait, I could have just did that. Well, this is it anyway.
Make it a big show.
uploading onto a few different. You know what? Let's use Hisoka and see how that does. We'll share that. Last thing, we'll do it on Twitter. Okay, ladies and gents. Click the tweet button. Okay, so that's sharing. We also have to do it on YouTube as well, just to remain that uniformity and also, you know, just get it on as many different platforms as possible. Now this one, I will actually, what's it called? Add in more details. Add in a lot more details there. I kind of have my own way of doing YouTube here. So as far as title, we'll say, what's his name, Crollo? Now we'll say the spiders. Matter of fact, the spiders like to party. That's just a simple, quick brainstorm. Spiders like to party. Hashtag, where's Kurapata? No, it's playing. So we'll do the next. We're not gonna say it's made for kids. Oh, yeah, of course. We want it public. And now, like I said, I'm going to redo this a little bit later on just because, like I said, I have my own method of YouTube, but that's just a quick way of doing things. So next thing, and then it just let me know that it's posted. So next thing we're going to do is show you that one more time. So let's go back to TikTok. Back on TikTok. Make your day. They not lying. TikTok does normally make your day. So I'm not even going to do it with mine, you know, because I don't want y'all to think, oh, that's something that you can only do with your own profile. This is a random picture. I mean, I remember this episode. Sanji is cold, boy. Sanji versus Zoro. Of course, you already know Zoro's gonna win. That's just the guy. That's that dude. You feel me? Come on now. His brother know the Zoro. But it really would be interesting if Sanji took on the role of Zoro and vice versa. You know, if that was how Oda decided to play it from jump. But anyways, let's go ahead and do it. Like I said, so we right click. Boom, we right click, scrolling all the way down. Now we hit inspect. Remember I said next thing we would do is scroll over. We're going to elements, console, sources, network. Network is where we want to be. Now we scroll down again, click all the way over. We're clicking media. I'm already on it, so that's why it's not highlighted, but I'll do it for you. We're clicking media. Boom, boom, boom. Circle around that so you see that. So because there's nothing populating right now, what we have to do is scroll back, follow the cursor, follow it, bow, and we have to click refresh. And now that we've clicked refresh the page, you see that that media has populated, or that file has populated. So the next thing we would do, open it in the new tab.
College drop that music every day like that. She be too thick and my friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid. This the college drop that music every day like that. She be too thick and my friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid. We go stupid, we go stupid, we go.
And you want me to change?
Fuck I feel it, coming in. Go.
You see it's there. So that's pretty much the video for today, guys. That's all I really wanted to show y'all. This is Ken signing off. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, and you know, something entirely different. Might be similar, might be computerized, might not be. But I just wanted to show y'all something that I learned today. So this is Ken signing off. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.